You have heard it 1,000 times. But have you ever asked where did the Netflix sound come from? In 2015, Netflix needed a sonic logo, something short, bold, and unforgettable. Oscar winning sound designer Lon Bender teamed up with Netflix Todd Yellin. The iconic ta sound is actually a wedding ring tapping on a wooden cabinet. The deep boom is actually a reversed piano music with cinematic scenes, adding mystery and drama. That ta-dum sound became more than a sound. It's a global signal that a story is about to begin.
Kind of a psychiatric trigger to catch your attention.